A noun is a name of person, place, animal, or thing. There are different kinds of noun. The first one is common noun. Common noun refers to the name of person, place, animal, or thing in general, not in particular. Example, city. We don't know which city. Pune, it could be Chennai, but we don't know which city. That's why city is an example of common noun. Train, again, is an example of common noun. Why? Because we don't know which train. Could be Rajdhani Express, could be Chennai Express, could be any train. That's why train is an example of common noun. Next one is proper noun. Proper noun refers to the name of person, place, animal, or thing in particular. For example, Mumbai. Mumbai is the name of a city, one city. That's why Mumbai is an example of proper noun. Rajdhani Express is the name of one particular train. That's why Rajdhani Express is an example of proper noun. Next one is collective noun. Collective noun refers to the group of person, place, animal, or thing as one unit. For example, a team of players. Here there are many different players playing together as one team. That's why team is an example of collective noun. The next one is abstract noun. Abstract noun refers to the ideas, experiences, or feelings which can only be felt. We cannot see it, we cannot touch it. Example, happiness, sadness. We can only feel the happiness. We can only feel sadness. We cannot see, we cannot touch. That's why happiness and sadness are examples of abstract noun. Next is material noun. Material noun refers to the material out of which something else is made. For example, sugar. We use sugar in cooking. Similarly, we use gold in making different ornaments, bangles, rings. That's why sugar and gold are the examples of material noun. Concrete noun. Concrete noun refer to the things which can be seen, which can be touched, which can be heard. For example, painting. We can see painting. That's why painting is an example of concrete noun. We can smell perfume. It's possible for us to smell perfume. That's why perfume is an example of concrete noun. Countable noun. Countable noun refers to the noun that can be counted in numbers. Pencil can be counted in numbers 1, 2, 3. Apples again can be counted in numbers. That's why pencil and apple are examples of countable noun. Uncountable noun are the noun that can only be measured or weighed. We cannot count it in numbers. For example, milk and water. We can only measure it in liters. We cannot count it in numbers. Possessive noun shows the ownership. Pooja's doll. The doll belongs to Pooja. Girl shoes. The shoes belong to the girls. How do we show that? By adding an apostrophe and the letter S